The legal pressure on Julian Assange and Wikileaks is mounting. Interpol has issued a so-called red notice alerting its members to arrest Assange on rape charges in a case filed against him in Sweden. It comes as Washington mulls over its options on how to press charges against Wikileaks for revealing confidential U.S. diplomatic cables.
To the extent that we can find anybody who was involved in the breaking of American law and who has put at risk the assets and the people that I have described, they will be held responsible. They will be held accountable.
But it could open a legal minefield. Charging Assange with espionage would require evidence he was not only in contact with representatives of a foreign power, but also that they intended to provide him with secrets. No such evidence has surfaced. U.S. law makes it easier to prosecute people for unauthorized disclosure of intelligence officers' identities and classified information relating to nuclear weapons. Julian Assange, it seems, isn't guilty of either.
Preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
Then there's the First Amendment in the U.S. Constitution, which guarantees freedom of expression, a right President Obama is obliged to uphold and protect. If the U.S. goes after Julian Assange, it would be hard to argue why it then shouldn't also go after every other media outlet. Legal experts agree federal authorities would face tough obstacles if they try to bring a prosecution against Assange.
Unless he makes himself subject to the US's jurisdiction, he'll have to be extradited. And that'll depend upon the relationship that the US has with any other state where he's presently residing or where he's present. And no doubt he's going to argue that there hasn't been a breach of the law, and/or he will invoke the argument that the public interest and/or freedom of expression prevails.
The whistleblower who's disappeared from public view, it appears, is safe for now. Banu Patnagar, Al Jazeera.